Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about enable backup and sync in Google Photos. Enable backup and sync in Google Photos. As soon as you install the Google Photos mobile app on your phone, you will be prompted to enable the backup and sync. This feature automatically saves new photos and videos when you have internet access, which is great if you don't have much device storage space. Then you will always be able to find your image and videos in your Google Photos library. You can set it to only backup and sync when you are connected to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.